Hey guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching English-Angrezi. Hey guys, today I'm going to share what? Okay, I tell you guys. So guys, in this video, I will share you how to use Clapingo spoken English step by step. Okay? So step 1.
How to subscribe.
Step 2. How to pay on Clapingo app. Step 3. How to book a tutor on this application. Step 4. How to get demo class for 50 minutes on this application. Okay guys, let's start. First of all, what is Clapingo? Okay, let me first show it from my mobile screen. Okay.
First of all, go to Play Store and search Clapingo app. Okay, but I have already Clapingo app. But you have a not Clapingo app, then you have to download this app. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to step 1. I'm going to open this app. So step 1 guys, how to subscribe. Okay, so guys, this is Clapingo app. So guys, first of all, you want to know how to subscribe, right? Okay guys, you can see here subscriptions option is already written here. Then click this arrow. Okay, and after that on here you have to select your plan. If you want to take 1 month plan in which 15 minutes and 1 day in week, then you have to pay total rupees 99. Okay, so here is mentioned guys, if you want to take 15 minutes and 1 day, so here is mentioned rupees 999. Okay, but if you want to take a 6-month plan in which 25 minutes and 3 days, okay, so click 25 minutes and click this 6 month. Okay, in week, then you have to pay total rupees 5,45600. Okay, guys, I think you will be understand how to take subscription, I think. Okay guys, let's go to step 2. Okay guys, step 2, how to pay on Clapingo app. Okay, so first of all, if you have chosen your plan, then click next. Okay, then click next. Okay, here is have maximum options for pay. If you want to pay Stripe debit card, then you can do it, but you should have to this debit card, then you can pay. And if you want to pay on Google Pay, Phone Pay, then you can pay also easily, because here is option already. Okay, now I'm going to showing. Okay, now I click make payment. So on here you can see here is Phone Pay, Google Pay and Paytm option also here. Then you can pay easily. Okay guys, let's see step number 3. So guys, step number 3, how to book a tutor on this application. So guys, there are many available tutor on here. So guys, like as you like this tutor and you want to talk this tutor, then click this tutor. Okay, so I like this tutor and I click this tutor. Okay, now you have to select your schedule. What time do you want to talk? Okay, I tell you through example. First of all, you have to select your date, like as I'm free on June 21. Then select 21. Okay, click this date and select 21 and click OK. Okay guys, and now you have to select time. Click time. Okay, click time. On here you will have to select your time slot. Suppose I am free at 1 p.m, then click 1 p.m. Okay, okay guys, and after that you will get finally book your slot, then you have to click book your slot. Okay, so guys, you will be think, actually my plan expired, so that's why that option is not coming. Okay guys, okay, let's go to next step, means step number 4. Okay guys, step number 4, how to get demo class for 15 minutes on this application. Okay, first of all guys, you have to log in from your Gmail account and phone number, and after that you have to select one tutor, and when will you select tutor, then their options will come pay rupees 99 for demo class. Then you pay on Google Pay, Phone Pay. After that you can talk with tutor. Okay guys, but you must be wondering why it is not telling from the application. Actually guys, I have taken the plan already, so that's option of demo class ends, that's reason. Okay, after all, now I'm showing you how many have talked to the tutor. Okay guys, see guys. Okay, so guys, this is tutor. I have talked already. Okay,
I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you like my videos, so please share my videos and also like, and please guys subscribe my channel. Okay guys, bye bye.